Okay, Heather Gray. Hi, Heather. Oh, okay. I'm here in Jamaica. Just passed through a rough storm. Rough storm, but luckily I am not too bad. I am not too bad. The house leaks a lot. A lot. I had to set some pans to catch the water, but thank God I am alive. It never hit St. Catherine as much as it hit St. James, Ochariah, St. Anne. I'm fine. I am fine now, thank God. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm not too bad, but I'm telling you, in the rural area, they get a lot of damages. A lot of damages. A lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. The place went flat here in Jamaica. The place went flat. Roofs flew off buildings. There are a lot of water. The sea comes in and wash away a lot of things. A lot of people got hurt. Um,